How to fix your Samsung Galaxy is connected but you have no internet. So if you're seeing this message that says connected without internet, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone. You then need to scroll all the way down this page and click on General Management. Click on Date and Time and make sure Automatic Date and Time is turned on like this, and also make sure Automatic Time Zone is also turned on. Sometimes this can interfere with your Wi-Fi connection. Now once you've done this, head back over to the main settings page, come back up to the top and click on Connections. Now select More Connection Settings, click on VPN, and make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs. This is another reason why you might be seeing this error message. You could then click on Private DNS, make sure this is set to Automatic and Recommended, and once you've done this, head back over to your Wi-Fi and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then click on your Wi-Fi connection, click on the settings button next to the Wi-Fi, and then just press Forget at the bottom of this page. Once you've forgotten the network, you can then go and try reconnecting to the Wi-Fi. You'll need to go and re-enter the password, and hopefully now that should have solved the issue. If you have tried all of these steps and you're still getting the no internet, then what we can do is head back over to the main settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on General Management. Scroll down again and click on Reset. Scroll down and click on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. You can then click on Reset Settings, and that's going to reset all of the network settings on this device. You'll then need to go and reconnect to the Wi-Fi, and that should have fixed the issue where you're connected without the internet.